Welcome back guys to my channel. Today I'm going to play Obstacle Paradise. Now I have seen some YouTubers play it, so I thought I might as well just try it out. Now don't push me, Thank you. So I'm just trying out this random obby. Okay, I'm just going to go to mine. Yup. Well, this is my obby. So this is my obby. Let me just change the name. There. It's not saving. Do I have to go down or up or something? Nope, well. Oh, well, someone's trying my obby. I guess I can just, follow them. Is it this one? No, it's not. Now, first I need to find out which one it is, then I'll show you my whole lobby. I'm guessing it's that's yellow. Red, yellow, yellow, red. I'm guessing this one. Nope. No, where am I going? I'm going to the wrong lobby. Ah, now I know which one it is. Oh, actually I don't. Let's find this one. That means it is this one. Here we are. Whoo! Wah! Ha! He! Okay, so that's two parts, you know, like the first one is like a maze, and then this one, so how did I die? Let me just upgrade. I do have that much money down there, and you know. There, that should be enough. Yeah, I probably should have stayed at 55,000. Yeah, that was a bad idea. But at least hang on, how much money do I get? $60. But that was such a waste of money. How do I keep dying? How? And if you are new to the channel, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button to receive notifications when I get it, what do you call it? I forgot how to say. Oh, what the heck happened there? By the way, this bit is a troll, but I know the way. What? Oh god, I have to digest that. Now this is another troll one. It's the red. Because you see how that looks like concrete? I'm going to teleport to the end. You see how that looked like concrete? Oh crap. Because if it looks like concrete, the one that doesn't look like concrete is actually the real one. And that's the finish button. Now I just need to go like, dude, what am I? There we go. Alright, my game's lagging, but alright, so I forgot if that's a real one or a troll or a fake one. Let me see. The yellow one. Ah, that one's a fake one. Yeah, that one's a real one. Alright, so I'm just going to press that. See? You see how that looks like concrete, but that doesn't really? The one that really looks like concrete is the fake one, but the one that I'm just going to go do this random obby. The one that looks kind of concrete-ish, but like, see, it's trying to braincast. That's why they made it like that. Oh, maybe. Oh, actually, I have seen this one. They're seriously trying to prank everyone. Ooh. What? What's up? Oh, damn it. I'm gonna go ahead and try out. Yeah, I'm gonna still do this one. That one's not really done. Ah, my game's lagging! Ah, why does my game have to lag? Oh, here, ah, oh, what's that? Huh, ah, ah, oh, he, ah. Okay, I'm doing it. I just want to get to the ladder thingy. Hey! Oh, that was close. There we go. Now I'm on it. Whoa! Which one is it? What? Jeez, that scared me. Jeez. Jeez, my God, that scared me. No thanks. Okay, now I know what to do and what not to do. Isn't my game lagging? What the heck happened? Okay, I'm just going to try this one. And I'm guessing he's the owner. How? How? Just how? Ooh, ha, ha, he, ooh, he. This one. Everyone tries to trick people, but it never works if they know it. Oh God, okay. This one is very confusing. Ah, camera trick. Not that one. Not that one. Okay. Wait, what? I was just walking on that. That makes no sense. I guess the camera trick does not work. I'll have to try and get it to myself. Ah! Lag! Lag! Okay, yeah, I really don't like this one. Huh? Ah, I got it correct. I'm going for this one. No. Rage time. Oh god, I'm gonna rage so hard. I think. At least I hope not. Huh? Oh my. I don't know. I don't know if it's fake or not. Okay, that one do it. That one do it. Whew. Yeah. Putting this on. No. Ja. Ja. Hooga. Oh. Middle one. Is this like a guessing part? Oh. I see now. So that's fake. That has to be fake. I'm telling you, it has to be fake. You seriously have to be kidding me. Oh, it's actually good. It looked too small for me. Oh well. The black one. Wait, what? I'm gonna try it again. But sometimes this lag. See? This one. Damn, I just missed! I'm not raging, I'm not raging. Oh well. This is very sad. I don't know why I probably should have waited. This is my last attempt. Then I'm going to another one, I hope. Alright, can I do it? Ah, 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 ah. Well guys, that's going to wrap up the video here. If you enjoyed the video, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Adios!